Hey guys, it's Sage and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be working with CurlsCurls, and this is a bit different because I actually reached out to them. I've done a video with them before, but I misplaced the clip-ins I had because I donated them by mistake. Yeah, so I just had to have these clip-ins back in my life because these are probably the best clip-ins I've had ever. They just matched my hair so well, so I reached out to them and I asked them if they would be willing to collaborate again, and they were so nice and they sent me another bundle of clip-ins. So from what I remember from the last time, these clip-ins are super thick. Like, I usually always have clip-ins left over when I'm installing them, and they of course come with extra clips just in case. But I'm doing like a current everyday hairstyle right now, which is like a slick back bob kind of look, which you will see. And the clip-ins I'm using currently, like, they work, but it's just a lot harder because they don't match my hair pattern very well, so it's just a lot of extra work to blend it. So I'm just so happy I have these. But yeah, it's a lot of hair, very thick. But the first thing I do is of course bleach and dye it to match my current hair color.
Something got us, must be like a trust. Got both of us suspect. Something, someone got it wrong. Something like a trust, falling back on us. Shawty around, she fucking it up. But she look good in that outfit. She from the mansion, we from the mud. Why is she hanging with us? She's such a pose and should be involved. What is that shit on her?
And I kind of sort of ran out of bleach, so I had to mix up some more. But as you can see, it's already lightening.
She rockin' Saint Laurent, love to watch the way she move. She cocky when she walk, drip sauce when I walk, me flossy when I walk. Love you just the way you are. She love to make it up. Model walk, model talk, go pop the bottle top. Me rock when Molly pop. She had a good time, D-life fulfilled. She wanna get it on 10. She wanna bring it home to me. Baby girl, bring it home to me. Actress, mattress, backflips, passing, move that head, dancing, 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 move that head, passion, move that head,
After the bleach, this is what it was looking like, super soft. I usually just let it dry overnight, but I used the hair dryer just because I was very hyped to do this. But I use Rich Eggplant and Burgundy Envy, half of each, and I mix it up in a bottle. And I just go ahead and dye the hair. So you're gonna see that I usually dye the edges, the roots of the clip-ins, if that makes sense, first, just because I don't want any like undyed like hair peeking through. Like, I don't want it to be burgundy and then have like bleached light brown hair like mixed in there. So I just make sure I really get the roots really good.
Last night, I got too high. I was talking to myself under the moonlight. Like, it's crazy how I never show my dark side. It's two sides to me, it's two sides to a nigga, yo. That side, this side, that's how it is, I know. Light side, dark side, that's how it is, I know. Left side, right side, that's how it is, I know. Right side, wrong side, that's how it is, I know. I'm not a bad guy, but I got a bad side. I went from a quiet life to living the wild life. Major living, we popping bottles and copping condos for the night. Ups and downs of that fast life, you try to make a living by popping bottles. I need to do everything twice. I am the weather, I change overnight. I am much better when I have insight.
So I literally didn't even realize my camera died until I was editing this, but this is what it turns out. This is how it turned out. I showed you how it looks without the flash on first, just because with the flash it literally looks the same color as when it bleached, but it's not, I promise. It is burgundy and just super soft. Like, it just looks so natural.
and I'll do mine.
I'm starting off on my hair freshly conditioned. Like, I didn't wash it, I just deep conditioned it and everything. And I cut my hair in February, literally started from scratch, and I'm just very happy because my hair is growing and so much healthier and fuller now. But I'm using my Elf styling gel. Bars, that rhymed. And this is probably my favorite new brand. Like, I basically have their whole entire line and I just love it. But I'm just going to define my part, and the first look I'm doing is just a regular long look just to enhance the length, because that's usually what clip-ins are for. And this isn't like a look I would normally wear, but the last time I collabed with CurlsCurls, I literally just did a ponytail and it looked bomb. But I'm just doing this to show you guys how versatile these clip-ins are.
Supreme waist suits all over the club, but I'm humble, don't run me the wrong way. When you know you the best in the first place, it's pretty hard not to act reckless. They cannot mess with this Rex way. They can't tell me nothing like Kanye. Best thing coming out of the screw face. Yeah, you know the drill. You ain't got Rex world in that whip. You pop a Xanax, it's not lit. I done seen all sides of this shit. The wildlife and the real deal, yeah. Universe put me in situations that I couldn't bear, but I always grow through them. That's why they put me there. Anywhere, anywhere, anywhere you wanna go, I can take you there. Last night, I got too high. I was talking to myself under the moonlight. Like it's crazy how I never show my dark side. It's two sides to me, it's two sides to a nigga, yo. That side, this side, that's how it is, I know. Light side, dark side, that's how it is, I know. Left side, right side, that's how it is, I know. Right side, wrong side, that's how it is, I know. One day I'll be the very thing I need, and you can go the journey.
So I'm just adding in some clip-ins on the very top layer of the clip-ins just so my hair blends a lot easier.
Don't let this go to waste. You still got a way to go. Ash the burning fingers. I'm tired and high. I'm tired of highs. Wave goodbye to idle time. Ash the burning fingers. I'm miles high. Afraid of heights. The wildlife comes with the.
And because the styling gel mixed with the conditioner I had in, it made my hair white. So I just used the Coil Sculpting Custard and put it on my hair and on the clip-ins just to, it usually just gets rid of any whiteness, and it just blended my clip-ins with my hair a lot better, as you'll see. And this wide tooth comb, I'm not really like combing my hair, I'm just using it to rake my hair and the clip-ins together just to like mesh them into one. And this is what the longer look was looking like. Like, I just prefer shorter looks, but if you prefer longer hairstyles, then this would work for you. I'm sorry if you guys can hear any sirens in the background, but moving on to my favorite look, I'm just re-slicking my hair. Just use water and then I'm just using some gel. What is going on? I'm using some gel to slick down my hair, and I have a video on this hairstyle already, but they were using the clip-ins that weren't my favorite. So now with these clip-ins, it's just so much easier to do, and I just feel like it looks so much better because it matches my hair literally perfectly.
more songs than girls do selfies. Hollywood, she also selfish. Young nigga dreaming about wealth then.
So now I just move on to adding in the clip-ins. Now when I do this look, I use a lot less clip-ins than if I were doing like a whole head of hair. I probably use maybe like five or six, and I cut them. Yes, I cut them into a very like sleek looking bob. I just prefer this hairstyle. I love how it looks on me, and you don't have to, like if you prefer a longer slick back look, you can do that too, but I just prefer shorter, like the short bob look. Like this is my length goals right now. Once I reach this length, I will be very happy, because the way shrinkage works, if my hair is this length when it's curly, when it's straight, it's gonna be down to my feet. So hey, we're here for that.
I hope she know I love her so. Pet girl, we leaving at once. Not tryna be on my ones. You'll be with me when the sun's up. I'm your Hollywood dreamer, Don't let the fear in your heart. Bring back that pack and you gotta smoke. Bring back that back to the center, love. We get to chasing like antelope. Little bit of sex in the song. I'm back to focusing on all of that shit right in front of me. Now I'm back doing dirt like I was, yeah. Up and smoke, up and smoke, up and smoke. Yeah. She can't deny.
So right here I was deciding what size clip-in to use at the top of my head, and I ended up going with a shorter one.
Nothing wrong with one love, but I'm way too young to give the funds up. Up and smoke, up and smoke, up and smoke. I hope she know I love her so. I leave tonight.
Then I just usually add really small clip-ins on the sides of my hair. They didn't have like one length clip-in, so I just took one that was 2 lengths long and cut it in half, and it worked perfectly fine. Also, another thing about shorter clip-in looks is that it's just way easier to blend your hair, just because it's a closer length to your hair, if that makes sense.
I'm dreaming of that. They try to lock that and seize all of that. I'm like,
so then I'm just doing the same exact thing as I did with the longer look, and I'm cutting some layers on the very top layer of the clip-ins, and you're actually going to see me take out the clip-in on the very top of my head and cut in some layers so that when I put it back on, it just matches the length of my hair better, so it's not just like short and then a bit longer. It's like gradual, you know?
Hollywood dreaming, of course. Tapping my pockets, of course. Make sure my money is good, cause it's about to get reckless. Wildlife will leave you breathless. I know the touch is infectious. Before I leave, give me a kiss.
I'm just applying some more product to slick down and lay down any of my hair that was lifted up while I was applying the clip-ins. So that's what you're seeing now. I'm just tidying everything up, re-slicking my hair. Gonna put in some bobby pins, and you will see the finished result shortly.
These are the bitches don't mean nothing. Shawty, it's me and you to the end. Promise I'll be seeing you again. Up and smoke, up and smoke, up and smoke. I won't let that shit go. I hope she know I love her so. Up and smoke, up and smoke, up and smoke.
And this is what it was looking like. Look at the blend. Like, you cannot distinguish. Where does my hair stop? Tell me. And of course I'm going to show you how it looks when it dried, because shrinkage, but this is how it looks. I literally love it.
That's what I like. Mountain Hill, bad thing, this thing, that thing.
Alright guys, so this is how the clip-ins turned out. I am so happy I have these clip-ins again. Thank you to CurlsCurls for resending me these. I don't know how I misplaced them. Actually, I'm pretty sure I donated the ones I had before by accident, because I donated like majority of my wigs and clip-ins, so I think I put those ones in like the donation bag by mistake. So someone out there has a lucky pair of amazing clip-ins to match their natural hair. but I'm so happy. These ones match way better than the other clip-ins I was using. I'm just so happy. It's going to make my life so much easier to do my hair. So I'll put all of the info for these down below. But I still have some clip-ins left over that aren't cut. So I have 5 that I haven't used. No, 4. So I have 4 that I haven't used. And I forgot to say, before when I did the longer hairstyle, I still had 2 full ones left over. So it's a lot of hair. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, it's Sage signing out. Peace.